Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. How many months in a year have exactly 31 days? So let's look at this. We have January with 31 days. February has 28 or 29. March has 31 days. April has 30. May 31. June 30. July and August 31. September 30. October 31, November 30 and December 31. All these months all these months have 31 days. Therefore, 7 months have 31 days. So the answer is 7 months.